We're excited to bring you this short video tutorial about the integration of Maintenance Manager and Console Gateway Live. In this short video, I'll show exactly how simple it is to facilitate these payments and associated documents going automatically from Maintenance Manager and ending up in your Console Gateway Live system. So let's get started. If you go to the top menu bar and click on Tools, you'll see the drop-down Integration options. Hover over that and you'll see Console Integration. By clicking on that, you'll be presented with a screen to set up these automatic disbursements. It is a once-only setup. On this screen, you merely enter your Console Gateway ID and your details. You'll be then verified, and then you're good to go. You have options in the Maintenance Manager settings whereby you'll be able to decide whether you want the approved payments to go directly into Console or whether you want them to go to a reconciliation page whereby they can be reviewed by the appropriate person, whether that's a PM, the senior PM, the principal, or by a trust accountant. We'll show you later in this video how the reconciliation screen provides you with the opportunity to review, modify, or delete payments before they're sent to Console for payment processing. It is important to understand that when the payments are accepted in Console, they'll be automatically paid in Console if there are sufficient funds available, or placed in the payment queue if there are not sufficient funds. So let's get into it. As per normal in Maintenance Manager, you've entered the request, allocated the workout, and now finally got your invoice back and you're ready to approve the payment as normal. Let's approve these two payments to the same supplier, Bob Builder. Again, depending on how you've set up Maintenance Manager, these approvals will either go directly to Console or to the Console Gateway Live reconciliation screen. So now the payments are approved. Let's see how the reconciliation screen works. Simply go up to the main menu bar, select Jobs, and then select Trust Reconciliation. That will bring up the Console Gateway Live payment reconciliation screen. From here, you get a chance to review the payments that you've approved to make sure that everything is correct before they are sent to Console Payments. You can be as detailed as you need, or if everything looks good, then it's just 2 clicks. On the screen, you can see the details of the 2 jobs that were previously approved. You can see the property, the brief job description, the trade, and the amount. You can click on to Edit to review the invoice and or change some of the details, even dispute the invoice. If you require a full screen image of the invoice, merely click on the invoice notation. If everything looks good, then you can select each payment individually or just check the box in the Send to Console Gateway Live column and it will select all invoices and place today's date there. You'll notice that the payments total will reflect what has been accepted. If everything is still okay, simply press Process at the bottom right. It will bring up a confirmation pop-up that'll give you notice to say that everything's been successful in sending these payments to Console and just give you a warning that it may take up to 30 minutes to process them. In reality, that should be less than 5 minutes. So that's it. Your approved invoices are now in Console. So let's go to Console and show you what you'll see there. If you go to the top menu bar and select the Transaction tab and then select Accounts Payable Invoices, it will bring up a new screen whereby you'll see the invoices for Bob Builder that we just put through. You simply have to go down and press the Process button at the bottom right, and that will bring up a confirmation pop-up that will just let you know the processing may take some time depending on the volume selected, and also seeks confirmation that you want to go ahead. The screen will give you an update of the processing and then give you a list of how many were successful and if any have been skipped or failed. If that happens, they will recreate those so you can process them again. So in our case, everything is processed perfectly. We can now just go in and see how that looks. If you go to the payment screen and look there, we'll see the payments for Bob Builder. You can go in further and see the approved invoice. So you know that not only have the payments come across correctly, but also the invoice is in the right area for you. If you go to Creditors, then choose Bob Builder, then Transactions, you will again see our 2 processed transactions. So that's it. The transactions are through from Maintenance Manager into your payments in the Console Gateway Live system, therefore making things so much more efficient and streamlined, thus saving you time whilst giving you all the benefits of both systems. Please contact us if you've got any questions. Thank you.